Ever felt like you're drowning in deadlines and buried under a mountain of CAD drawings? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's dive into the essential tips and tricks to mastering work-life balance in engineering. 1. Set boundaries. First things first, boundaries. In the high-stakes world of engineering, it's easy to let work spill into your personal life. But trust me, setting boundaries is crucial. Start by defining clear work hours and stick to them. Turn off email notifications after hours and resist the urge to check work messages during dinner. It might feel impossible at first, but your sanity will thank you. 2. Prioritize ruthlessly. Next up, prioritization. Not all tasks are created equal. Use techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to sort your tasks into urgent, important, and everything else. Focus on what truly matters and let go of the rest. By tackling high-priority tasks first, you'll reduce stress and free up time for yourself. 3. Embrace the power of no. Learning to say no can be a game changer. Engineers often have a hard time refusing extra tasks, but overcommitting is a fast track to burnout. Politely decline tasks that don't align with your priorities or workload. Remember, every time you say yes to something unimportant, you're saying no to something that could genuinely enhance your work-life balance. 4. Schedule downtime. Engineers are great at scheduling projects, but what about scheduling downtime? Treat your personal time with the same importance as a project deadline. Plan activities you enjoy, whether it's a weekend hike, a hobby, or just binge-watching your favorite show. Regular breaks recharge your batteries and improve productivity in the long run. 5. Leverage technology. We live in a digital age. Use it to your advantage. Tools like project management software, automation, and collaborative platforms can streamline tasks and reduce manual workload. By leveraging technology, you can work smarter, not harder, freeing up more time for yourself. 6. Delegate and collaborate. Don't be a lone wolf. Delegate tasks when possible and collaborate with your team. Sharing the load not only eases your burden but also fosters a sense of teamwork. Plus, you'll find that many tasks are completed more efficiently when you're not trying to do everything yourself. 7. Focus on health and wellness. Your health is your wealth. Incorporate exercise, healthy eating, and sufficient sleep into your routine. Physical activity reduces stress, boosts mood, and enhances focus. Even short breaks to stretch or walk around the office can make a huge difference. Remember, a healthy engineer is a productive engineer. 8. Create a support system. Having a support system is essential. Whether it's family, friends, or colleagues, having people you can lean on makes a world of difference. Don't hesitate to seek help or advice when you need it. Sometimes, just talking about your challenges can alleviate stress and provide new perspectives. 9. Mindfulness and Stress Management. Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help manage stress and keep you grounded. Even just a few minutes a day can improve your mental clarity and emotional well-being. 10. Continuous learning and development. Finally, never stop learning. Personal and professional development can provide a sense of fulfillment and balance. Whether it's picking up a new hobby, taking a course, or reading a book, continuous learning keeps your mind sharp and your outlook fresh. So, there you have it, 10 tips and tricks to mastering work-life balance in engineering. From setting boundaries to embracing mindfulness, these strategies can help you thrive both at work and in your personal life. Remember, achieving balance isn't a one-time fix but an ongoing process. Keep adjusting, keep prioritizing, and most importantly, keep taking care of yourself. Now, go forth and engineer a balanced life.